Hey, it's Alex here from Top Guns in Terre Haute, Indiana. I wanted to show you a special one today. This is from Tippmann Ordnance, actually an Indiana company out of Fort Wayne. This is a 22 long rifle Gatling gun. Come look at it. All right, let's go over a couple features. It's completely adjustable right here in the back, and you can move that side to side, up and down, whatever you need for any type of adjustment to make sure this thing is stable. Well, it's coming in with 6 8.5-inch barrels to be able to shoot as many 22s as you like. The average, I believe, is around 600 rounds a minute, or as fast as you're going to be able to shoot it. It has a little trap door here on the top. You just slide this back. It comes with links where you can get 50 or even 100 at a time. Slap those down, you are ready to go. Does have sights with it, but I have seen in other videos where someone has taken this out, threaded it, and put a pick rail on it for a red dot, which I thought was pretty neat. Weight. Some people think that this might be a little heavy, but it's not too bad. It's an overall weight of around 15 pounds, which really is not bad at all. Again, Indiana company, 6 barrels, 22 long rifle, Tippmann Ordnance. Anything I missed overall? No. Okay, good deal. All right, come check this one out. We just got it in. This is going to be a lot of fun, especially if you have some sort of rodent problem in your backyard, some squirrels you need to take care of around a bird feeder, whatever that is, we have the gun for you. Pretty cool, huh? All right, see you guys.